Hi, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new here. This is finally episode 3 of my moving series. I will be decluttering, decorating, and organizing my new room. But, anyways, before anything, I still have to wait for my TV, my mirror, and my this hanger thingy to be hanged. I'm still not sure when will that be, but until I wait for that, I will be organizing my closets and other stationery and books things. Also, if I can, I will also try to decorate my desk. But yeah, I will be also decluttering a lot of papers and books mainly. So let's just get into it. Okay, so yesterday I did all of the books. I organized which ones I will be using and reading and the ones I have to read. We have like a library stand outside in the living room, so we're going to put all the books there. Then I also organized my copybooks. I have it on my side table, like right here. And then I also prepared a box for the books I have to sell or donate, which are quite a lot. I have noticed how much books of like school or books that were gifted before on birthdays. We never read it, me and my brother. So yeah, we're going to be selling and donating some of the books. So right now I will be organizing my clothes. As you can see, it's a whole mess because I have my closet full right now because I have to organize it well to make space for everything. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I finally finished the closets and the upper side of the closets. The only thing we are missing now is the desk right there. I also got to put my TV right here and my mirror, which is right here basically. So the only thing I have to open is the box that is still here. I don't know where I'm going to put all of the things, but I have to make space and decorate it. In the end, I will show you everything I have organized and do a room tour, so be sure to check that out. But right now, I will be doing my desk and see how to decorate it. Hi, welcome back to another tour of my room. This time I will make it a bit short since a lot of things that you saw in my first episode are the same right now. So I'm just going to go through everything quickly and simple. First of all, as you enter the room, you can see the desk right here. I still have to decorate my wall. I will be adding up things slowly and finding things that are related to what I'm going to my aesthetics. I have the same things with some stickers in my desk, and then there's papers and notebooks, and this is my computer. Now I spend like most of the day here in my desk since I already have Wi-Fi in here, so I can do everything on my beautiful desk, luckily. And going there, you can see the TV, which I didn't have before, but my brother gave it to me since he didn't really want it anymore. So I have a TV, and below the TV I have all my jewelry and accessories, which I might change it later because it's not really looking good, really nice. For now it's like this. Then down here I have my printer, and below that I have like blank pages and blank folders if I wanted to use. And then on the side I have my gym things, my mats, and just some random things related to gym and exercise. Right here I have my bed, and beside that I have my side table, which is the same as the previous room I had. Nothing really interesting, but it's just a bed where I sleep all night. And then going to the left, I have my new mirror. This was actually my mom's mirror, but she gave it to me. Basically, this opens and I have like my perfumes, my nail paints, my glasses, watches, and just random things that are like skincare related and cosmetics related. And then of course I have little me up here. And then if we go to the left, we have our closets. This is the 75 soft challenge thingy, which I have it right now because I'm doing the 75 soft. If you want to check out how is it going, check out my channel. I have 2 episodes already uploaded, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in seeing my 75 soft challenge. But anyways, my closet, there's nothing really interesting. It's the same as before. I have my jackets here, I have my scarves and my tops and shirts here. Then I have down there my shoes, sandals, my footwear basically. And on the side I have everything that didn't fit like outside of the room. Most of it is like stationery stuff and just cards and games, little games. Then up here I have my purses and my bags. And then on my next closet, then this closet, I have my t-shirts, my sweaters, and my bottom wear. And then this is like full weather stuff like undergarments, socks, summer things, winter things, and down there I have my tech things. So yeah, this is how my room turned out. It took me like literally so long to organize everything, but I finally did it. It's finally done. I have my room all organized. I still have to decorate my desk, but that's, I have to find aesthetic things to match my room aesthetic. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.